Alright, got my fancy Pro Bolt drilled banjo bolt here on the bottom of the new Accossato RadialMaster. So I was waiting for that for today to come in before I finished everything and put fluid in. Did the bleeding. Really only had to bleed from the top bleed nipple here in the master cylinder because the line and caliper were full from before. And with my pneumatic bleeder it was really quick. So right now it's set on the 17 pivot, or sorry, 18 pivot. You can do 17, 18, or 19, and it has a good feel. It's more travel than I had on the PSC Brembo. This PRS15, that should be a really good feel comparatively for 0 to 100% braking on the track. It's a lot more travel. If I wanted to, I could put it down to 17 and probably get even more feel. I think that's the way it goes, or vice versa. Yeah, but I like it so far. Hopefully no leaks on the track, so we'll see on the next 2 track days coming up in August.